In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notification settings in Hostinger. If you want to control which emails and alerts you receive from your Hostinger account, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Adjusting your notification settings can help you stay informed about the things that matter most, while also reducing messages you may not want to receive. To get started, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account area where your profile options are available. This is where you'll be able to access the settings connected to your personal account preferences. Next, click on your profile. This will usually open a menu or account panel where you can find different personal settings and management options. If you're following along on a desktop, this is often located in the upper area of the screen. On mobile, it may appear inside a menu icon or account section, depending on the layout. After opening your profile, click on Notification Settings. This section is where Hostinger lets you decide what kinds of updates you want to receive. It's a useful area because it gives you direct control over communication preferences without changing anything related to your hosting services themselves. Once you're in notification settings, you can begin managing the available categories. Here, feel free to review and adjust subscriptions and payments notifications. These are helpful if you want updates about billing activity, renewals, or payment-related reminders. You can also manage notifications for account and its security. These are especially important because they may include alerts related to login activity, account protection, or other security-related updates. In most cases, it's a good idea to keep security notifications enabled so you don't miss anything important. You'll also see service status and changes. This category can notify you about system updates, service interruptions, or important changes that may affect your hosting environment. If you rely on your website or services regularly, these notifications can be very useful. Finally, you can choose whether to receive product updates and special offers. If you want to hear about new features, tools, or promotions, you can leave these checked. If you prefer fewer marketing-style emails, you can simply uncheck them. At this point, just check or uncheck the options based on your preferences. Take a quick final look to make sure everything matches how you want Hostinger to contact you. And that's it. You've successfully managed your notification settings in Hostinger.